So today I'm doing an unboxing and review of these HD night vision glasses for driving. These are polarized anti-glare night driving glasses for men or women. I got these on Amazon. I'll provide a link in the description below if you're interested. So without further ado, let's get started. The box is pretty straightforward and simple. Take the lid off here. I'm gonna dump it out. Inside I've got a test. Wear glasses to see the beautiful pattern, which we will do right here with this. Stand by. We've got an ID card, so this actually has my number on it. Little cloth to clean it up. Another cloth. And here they are. So these have frames on top. Now this is an aluminum magnesium frame, anti-reflective lenses, polarized. Lens width is 64 millimeters. Now their polarized yellow lenses are meant to reduce night driving glare and eye strain, which I can see that these probably do. Enhance your night vision, improve color clarity and optical definition. Will help you see better at night, at least that's what the description says, or on cloudy, rainy days, making driving safer, and that's the goal of these, of course. They're supposed to enhance retinal protection, keeping your eyes healthy and clear. These spring arms are available to stretch out for 10 extra degrees. So I'm kind of going back this way so you can fit different faces in case you have a larger face. It springs outward as well as inwards, but outwards is the key there. According to the description, these are about 57% lighter than traditional glasses, only about 28 grams, and this nose pad here is adjustable. 4 features and benefits of these night driving glasses. Number 1, the lightweight comfort guarantees you won't get a headache from using them. Number 2, removes over 99% of ultraviolet A and B rays. Number 3, cuts the glare from street lamps and headlights. And number 4, effective against strong light and enhances driving safety at night. Now check out the image on this card here. Apparently there's a beautiful pattern. Now if I turn it to a certain angle, you can see cars on the angle based on the light, which if I look at it directly, I can see those cars, but when I take it off, I can't. So these glasses will enhance your ability to see certain images at night. It is time for a test drive. I want to say sunglasses, just by instinct, but yes, night driving glasses. Let's go. Let's see how these work. I have the overhead light on because if I do this, it's kind of too dark. I'm looking at the street lights and it clearly changes the glare on them. Everything has the yellow tint, which is good. I'm trying to check out the street because we have water reflection to see if this matters. Can't quite tell. Let's go ahead and drive around some more. My big key here is checking out the headlights coming at me to see if that makes a difference, and then also stoplights. All right, so oncoming traffic off to my left. Yeah, a lot less glare. Everything tinted just a bit. And then here comes a stoplight up here. Actually, this is it gives it a warm, glowing look because I'm looking at the reflection off the street, and it kind of dulls the brightness of the reflection. You know, just overall less harshness. I think with the oncoming headlights and overhead lights, everything's a lot more muted, and naturally because of the yellow tint, a lot less bright, a lot less glare. One thing that's very impressive is how comfortable these are on my face. As I mentioned earlier, these are lighter, at least reportedly, than regular glasses. I don't wear regular glasses every once in a while, but I really can't tell the difference. I mean, I'm talking about grams here. Personally, I can't tell the difference. I feel confident giving these night driving glasses a thumbs up. Lightweight, less strain on my eyes. Everything around me is a softer look, and I think they're kind of stylish looking. So definitely thumbs up. So there you go, my unboxing and review of these stylish anti-glare night driving glasses. Pretty sharp, don't you think? I will provide a link below this video so you can check them out for yourself. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman Driver. Thanks so much for watching. Drive safe. Adios.